Welcome again, Honda Visionaries, to a follow-up video on the oil strainer clean and replacement. I've just come to refit the thing, and I found that tightening the cover up here was more difficult than I expected. The problem is that to get the socket on, it's fighting against the brake cable there. Now I can do it now. The cover is now located, but it was a real struggle doing it to start off with, and I was really worried about crossing the thread on that cover. So what I ended up doing was holding it, pressing it firmly by with a finger to locate it squarely, and then use a 17mm open-ended spanner to turn it and just to start it off. I've noticed a YouTube video suggesting you just undo the brake cable holding mount there, which I suppose I could have done, but it just felt easier to do it with an open-ended. I did try it just using my fingers, holding it like that and using my other hand to turn it, but I couldn't get enough grip on it, even with cleaning the grease off my fingers. So anyway, that's how I've done it. You might find a better way. If so, let us know in the comments. Happy spannering!